Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to fix Can't Remove Folder from Quick Access on Windows so you can clean up File Explorer easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening File Explorer by pressing the Window key plus E. Step 2. Once File Explorer is open, look at the middle panel. You see Quick Access and click the three dots at the top of File Explorer and select Options from the menu. This will open the Folder Options window. Step 3. In the Folder Options dialog box, stay on the General tab. Under the Privacy section, click the Clear button. This will remove all pinned and recent items from Quick Access, including the folder that won't go away. Step 4. Click OK to apply the changes and close the window. Now reopen File Explorer by pressing the Window key plus E and Quick Access should be reset. You've successfully fixed the issue where a folder can't be removed from Quick Access in Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.